In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a PDF file online. This is perfect when you need to share a document, but want to make sure only the right people can open it. All you'll need is a Smallpdf account, a stable internet connection, and the PDF you want to secure. Start by logging into your Smallpdf account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. Once you're on the home page, look for the Protect tool. It's designed specifically to lock your PDF so it can only be opened with a password. Next, drag and drop the PDF you want to secure onto the page. You'll see the file begin to upload, and depending on its size and your connection, this can take a few moments. Just let the page load completely before moving on. This ensures the file is fully ready for protection. Once the upload is done, you'll see fields to enter your password and to confirm it. Type your password carefully, then retype it exactly the same in the confirmation field. For stronger protection, choose a password that's at least 12 characters long with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy guesses like common words or personal details. Remember, once this password is set, anyone trying to open the file will need it. And if you forget it, the document can't be opened, so store it somewhere safe. After you've entered and confirmed your password, click Protect. Smallpdf will lock the file using encryption and prepare your secured PDF. This typically takes just a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see the option to download your protected PDF. Click the download button and save it to a location you'll remember. Consider renaming the file to something that indicates it's protected, so you don't accidentally send the unprotected version later. That's all there is to it. You've successfully password protected your PDF online. From now on, whenever someone tries to open that document, they'll be prompted to enter the password you set. Keep that password confidential and share it only with people who need access, preferably through a secure method rather than in the same message as the file. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.